Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Show Me Mon. Today we're going to show you how to make a beautiful omelette. So let's go and see how it's done. Put some oil in the pan and let it heat. We're gonna add some bacon. Alright, now we're gonna add turkey to the bacon and let it cook for a little bit. And add some tomatoes. Let it cook. Add some salt and pepper. Beautiful omelette in process. Very easy recipe, guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button, please, for the YouTube algorithm. You know, we're working really hard for the videos here. Alright, now we're gonna add some eggs. Okay, so that was equivalent to 3 eggs, guys. Okay, so this is a 3-egg omelet with turkey, bacon, and tomato. Easy omelette recipe here. Very delicious. Easy to make, 5 minutes in the morning. And you're gonna have a beautiful, very tasty, healthy omelette. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful omelette. We're gonna add cheese to the omelette. And this is Swiss cheese, guys. Alright, our omelette is ready now. And now we're gonna put it on the plate. Look at that. Beautiful. And we're gonna serve it with some salad and some breakfast potatoes, sour cream, and salsa. It's always healthy to add avocados to anything. Since it's breakfast, we're not gonna miss out on the avocados here. And to finish it, we're gonna add avocados to the omelet because avocado is always healthy and you always want a healthy breakfast. So there you go, guys. Beautiful omelet recipe with avocados, turkey, bacon, and salsa with sour cream. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe for our future videos. See you later.